Hey everyone, so it's me Kennedy back with another video, and today is kind of crazy because apparently for a bunch of people on MSP, they can't log into their accounts. So everybody's been talking to me on their backup accounts. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. So first of all, I was trying to help a friend out. My best friend, 937-051, go add her. But I was trying to help her out because she couldn't find the email, so I did for her. And yeah, so this was all of it. They said, hello, it's Kennedy. That's just my Gmail account, whatever thing. But anyways, they said, we have received your request. Help. I don't know why I did that, but. So then they said, oops. A member of our support team will be in touch with you soon. If you have attachments or updates to this ticket, you can respond to this email. Please do not create additional tickets regarding the same issue, as doing so may slow down the process. We're looking forward to helping you. I sent this about an hour and a half ago now. No iTech guy has helped her that I've heard of so far. So this is her backup account, but she's very, very, very upset about this right now. She said she's doing Msp. Of course she's not going to, but she is definitely very, very upset right now. And yeah, I don't know what's going on. There's a bunch of people on forums saying that nothing's working. Yeah, there she is again. She's like freaking out because she wants to be on her main. She hasn't, and actually everybody hasn't been on, a bunch of people haven't been on since yesterday morning, which is when it started. And nobody's been able to get on, so I don't know what this is. Let's see here. There's more. Like, people are saying forums are so dry. That's because half of the people are all locked out of their accounts. And that's what everybody is saying. She's so upset. It's hilarious. Yeah, there's just a bunch of things in here. People are very, very upset. Here's what she said. She said, my juice tastes like gummy bears. Anyways, day 2. I'm still locked out of my main 937-051 and I'm going crazy. Okay, bye. Add me now or I'll go insane. Okay, that's just nasty. But I want your juice. Why are you locked? And then she responded with, well, MSP is being a little bee and won't let me log in. I don't know why. I'm suing MSP, she said again. She's so upset. I don't think you need to be that upset over it, but I mean, I probably would have been different too if my account wasn't working. Also, just wanted to say that my account is almost about to level up. I literally only have 20k left until I level up, and I'm so excited. So please give me autos, and I made just a cute little thing on it, and only 7 people liked it. And only like 4 of them gave autographs, but it's because I'm not that famous yet. Anyways. So yeah, that's what's happening. So if you guys know anything, just comment down, and maybe just keep emailing MSP, and I'll come back with another video and see if anything changed. I don't think that anything will, but hopefully this will get fixed soon, because my friend is going insane, and that's not a good thing. So yeah, alright. Peace out, guys. Love you.